Korea's small business borrowers are falling further behind on their loans, and life insurers are watching policyholders borrow their way through the squeeze. Delinquency rates at 4 of Korea's 5 biggest banks rose in just 6 months. Life insurance policy loans just hit 42 trillion won. And a tax change now squeezing convenience stores and restaurants adds another layer of pressure. It's Wednesday, August 12th. Let's break down what's happening in Korea's financial sector. Rising interest costs and softer consumer spending have made it harder for small business owners to service their loans. At the same time, households under financial strain are increasingly tapping policy loans against their life insurance policies instead of going to banks. Layered on top, a cut to value-added tax deductions is squeezing cash flow at convenience stores, restaurants, and lodging businesses. Here's what the numbers show. Delinquency rates rose at 4 of Korea's 5 largest banks between December and June, with Nomhyup's small business default rate climbing from 0.66% to 0.71%. $31.1 billion, 42 trillion won, is now out in policy loans that life insurers have extended to Korean households, up 2 trillion won in just 6 months. $556 million, 750 billion won. That's the added tax bill landing on roughly 300,000 self-employed Koreans this year, with convenience store, restaurant, and lodging owners hit hardest. Small business credit card loan rates still eased from 5.354% in April to 5.288% in July. So what does this mean for financial institutions and Korean households? Earlier, we said delinquency rates are rising at Korea's biggest banks. Here's what that actually means for you. Credit risk in the small business loan book is building even as headline rates ease, which raises the odds of tighter underwriting ahead. Foreign financial institutions with Korean operations should watch how regulators respond, especially as households lean harder on insurance-backed loans instead of bank credit. The VAT change adds another pressure point that could show up in loan performance data before it shows up in official growth numbers. That's today's AI Prism, Finance Daily. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.